When looking for items that the library owns, whether they are on the Buffalo campus or the Rochester campus, or if they are electronic books that the library owns, you want to select the book icon, and it's labeled books, and it says to search the library catalog for books, ebooks, DVDs, and streaming videos. So basically, searching our catalog searches for anything that we own, whether that is in print or a DVD or something that's electronic. When you click that link, it brings you to two options. You can search the Medaille Library Catalog, or you can search Connect New York. In this instance, we want to just focus on the Medaille Library Catalog. It will default to a keyword search. You can change that to an author search, a subject, a title search, and once you do that, it will pull up a list of items, and it will indicate what type of item it is. In this case, I have some ebooks that are showing up. There's also a film, so that's a DVD that we own, and it looks like it's at the Buffalo campus. There's also a little book icon. When you get the book icon, that indicates that it's a print book. And you'll always have a location listed for anything that is in the library. So in this case, the video's at Buffalo, this print book is at Buffalo, and the rest of these are ebooks that we have access to. Clicking on any of those highlighted titles will bring you to a longer record, which has all of the bibliography information. In this case, this is an ebook. I can click on that link to link to it in our EBSCO database, and you just have to access with your Medaille 1 username and password, log in, and then that would pull up that book.